My name is Callie, and today we are going to be discussing the distributive and associative property of multiplication. The associative property of multiplication simply states that it doesn't matter the order that the numbers are grouped in a problem, that you'll get the same product regardless. The distributive property of multiplication is used to break down larger numbers into smaller numbers to make an equation easier to solve. Today, I'm going to be working one problem for each of these properties to demonstrate how these properties are used. The first problem that I'm going to be working is going to be demonstrating the associative property of multiplication. So let's say we have the problem 75 times 4. 75 is a big number, and I definitely don't know off the top of my head what 75 times 4 is. However, if we break 75 down into 3 times 25, then times 4, I think I can manage this easier. Now, as I mentioned before, the associative property involves regrouping. So let's regroup these numbers to where 3 is outside the parentheses, and we have 25 times 4 inside the parentheses. 25 times 4, as we know working with money, is going to be 100. And 3 times 100 is easily multiplied to 300. So 75 times 4 equals 300. Now, let's take a look at the distributive property of multiplication. Let's say we have the problem 4 times 24. Now, once again, 24 is a pretty big number to be working with, and I don't really know what 4 times 24 is off the top of my head. So I'm going to break 24 down. This time, I'm going to break it down to 20 plus 4. Once again, it's the same problem. 4 times 24. We've just broken 24 down into 20 plus 4. Now, according to the distributive property, I have to multiply the outside number by the first number in parentheses. So 4 times 20. What's being done inside the parentheses? Addition. So I'm going to be adding. And then 4 times the other number in parentheses. So outside number times the other number in parentheses. 4 times 4. So now we have 4 times 20 plus 4 times 4. 4 times 20 is an easier number to work with because we know that 4 times 2 is 8, so 4 times 20 is going to be 80. And we know our double multiplication facts, so 4 times 4 is 16. And we can easily add 80 plus 16 to get that 4 times 24 equals 96. So those are our two problems that we've just solved using the associative and distributive properties of multiplication. I hope this video helps you to better understand the associative and distributive properties of multiplication. Until next time, thanks for watching.